Good morning, P3 students. Today is Wednesday and it's the 3rd of June 2020. Yesterday or a few days ago, I taught you about branching tree database, right? There's a question and then the question will lead you to a different answer. For example, is it hard? Yes, and then after yes, there's another question, right? So with that type of questioning, then you will be able to identify things, and then it also will help you decide or um, think harder, right? So those are very helpful technique if you want to decide something just like this. This is also another kind of data a branching tree database where you ask question, and if you say yes, then there's a follow-up question, and then if say no, there's a follow-up question. All right, so the question here is about, do you have a problem in life, or do you have a problem in your life? And then you will say yes. And then the follow-up question, can you do something about it? And then when you say yes, then why worry? Then if you will say, do you have a problem in your life? Yes. Can you do something about it? And then your answer is no. Then that will lead also to, then why worry, right? Okay. So how about this? Do you have a problem in your life? And if your answer is no, then it will lead to here, then why worry? So the bottom line here is that it's either you have a problem or not. Why do we worry, right? Or if you have a problem and then you cannot solve, then why would you worry about it? Just stuff like that. Okay, so this is another example of a branching tree um, database where you ask a question and it will lead you to another question to help you think deeper and to analyze things. And also it's very helpful in identifying or grouping or sorting things. All right, so this is your assignment. So in this assignment, you are going to look at these pictures like this, and you are going to identify if it's soft or hard. So when we say soft, it's easy to squeeze. When it's hard, it's not easy to squeeze, just like this one. This is my mouse pad, right? So what do you think? Is this hard or soft? It is soft, right? So this one is the material that is used to make this one. Here is fabric, and then at the back is rubber. So we can conclude that a rubber and fabric are soft. Now, how about here? And this is my mouse, right? So this mouse is made of plastic, and this plastic is, some plastic are hard and some are soft, but this mouse is hard. Okay, so the pictures that we have here, we have the first one, we have the wood, the metal, wool, plastic, leather, ceramic, fabric, stone, brick, cotton, diamond, glass, and ice. So some of you did not get the correct answer, but it's okay. I still give you the perfect score as long as you do your work and as long as you do your part. And also you can always edit your answers, okay? So again, hard is difficult to squeeze. It's stronger. I mean, like, not stronger, but it's yeah, that's what I mean. Difficult to squeeze, or if you want to smash it, you need to be very strong, and you might need some other tools or materials to use it, or to if you want to break something. Just like to give you an example, this is my what's this, food box, and this is made of metal and it's hard, right? So if I want to break it and squeeze it, it's really difficult. But if I put force into it, maybe if I pound it many times or use a hammer, then it will change its form. Okay, so here again, wood. Wood is hard. Very good. Wood is hard. How about metal? Metal is hard. How about wool? Wool is similar with yarn. So wool are used to, some wools are from cotton, like the cotton wool is like the skin or the fur of some animals like sheep. Right, so this is a wool and wool is soft. Plastic, this plastic looks like a thicker one and this one is hard, right? And a leather is hard, right? Ceramic are hard also. Ceramics are hard. Fabric, soft. Stone is hard. Brick is hard. Cotton comes from cotton plants. This is soft. And diamond is hard. Glass is hard. Ice is hard. So there are only 3 soft items in this material. There are only few of you who got the correct answer, but it's okay. All right, so for your homework, you are going to answer. Oh my God, stick in the book. Okay, so for your answer, for your homework today, you are going to write 3 different materials that are waterproof. So we discussed it yesterday that waterproof, if you put it in water, the water cannot get through it or will not make it, like a paper is not waterproof. If you put in the water, the physical appearance of the paper will change because it will get wet and will soak and will damage the paper, right? Okay, so, and then there's only 2 questions, and then the second one is right. All the properties you can think for plastic. So one property of plastic is that it is waterproof. Right, so now you have 1 answer, and also you can look at the next page for your reference, okay? So we already talked about properties last term, but we did not really discuss more about it, okay? So that would be all for today. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon. I miss you guys. Goodbye.